y'all, thanks for tuning in to this week's episode of Skin Time TV with Ashley. So this video is going to be a little fun. It's not my traditional skincare, really anything. It might be the opposite of that actually, but a friend of mine challenged me to participate in the Vlogmas challenge that's going on YouTube. I appreciate the challenge. I'll probably be able to fully participate in it next year, but the way these vlogs are set up and the way I make them a la carte, it's just not happening. It's not happening this year. So this episode, I'll be adding it to my Just for Fun collection, but I'm getting ready to go for a night out with the girls. As you can see, I got my cute little dress in the back. Face is fresh and clean, got the glass skin going and glowing, okay? We're still combating that dry skin. We'll touch base on that in the next episode, but right now, it's time to get cute. I have about an hour, and that is not a lot of time for me. Thank goodness I have braids in my hair because that cuts out a whole 45 minutes. So here's my little bootleg makeup routine. I am not a makeup guru, expert, or anything for that matter, but when I do my makeup, I feel cute. I think I look cute. Some people think I look cute, so I guess something works. Okay. So first and foremost, fresh face. Perfectly clean. My hands are perfectly clean. And I say that as a piece of lint. Just flew up. Okay. Yeah, perfectly clean. Oh, here it is. All that. So before I do anything, I sharpen my eyebrow pencil because when I put the primer on my hands, it's a wrap. So I'm gonna slick the eyebrows down. I need to pluck them and cut them. Don't look too close. I have my little mirror here, so oh my gosh, it's so dirty. I'm gonna clean that at some point this weekend. I do all my cleaning Saturday morning, so today's Friday. Tomorrow, mirror will get cleaned, but it has a little magnifying one, hey girl, and the regular one. So we need to get up close and personal here. And I pretty much just line the top outline of my eyebrow and the bottom outline of my eyebrow, if that makes sense. And I just fill in just lightly so that the color blends. Y'all, I hate to hype myself up like this, but I'm gonna do it anyway. My eyebrows be looking snatched, okay? If I want the perfect eyebrows, pay attention. I like a really natural eyebrow. Super important to me. So I filled that in, but before I move on, I'm gonna just go ahead and put my primer on because I like it to settle in before I apply anything else. It's important to use a good one. I like mine, but they don't sponsor me, so. But if you know what company this packaging belongs to, boom, you have a secret. Primer set. Then I go on with this really ridiculously expensive dip brow. So eyebrows looking a little cray-cray. Don't worry, I don't just stop here. So now I very gently use my Snaggletooth eyebrow brush to blend. And here's the best part, my best friend taught me this. I scruff, or whatever you want to call it, but do this action here very gently on the innermost part of my eyebrow, the part that's closest to right here. And this helps it blend. I cannot stand seeing blocky eyebrows that just cut off at one point. Like, your eyebrows blend, so blend them. And that's the secret to my natural look. Like, this is literally the secret, and I can't believe I didn't know this sooner. So glad I wasn't doing my eyebrows too much before I learned about this. I'm going in with some concealer. That's my skin tone. Put a little bit on my hand. And I'll outline my eyebrow. Okay, so I put a little bit in the middle, but I don't block off the eyebrow because remember what I told y'all about blocky eyebrows. It's not me. I don't do it. And I need to go wet my sponge, so I'll be right back. Got my beauty blender, and before I use it, I'm dark skinned, if you can't already tell. So I use a dark orange, or what's the color really called? Oh, well, orange color corrector, but I know that there's a light orange one, and I have dark circles, so I just kind of get under here. So when I get to the middle, I just kind of inch over onto the brow, and we'll get it a little bit so that it's blended. Oh, that is way too bright, but you can kind of see the blend a little bit better that way. It's darker right here and a little lighter in the middle, so yeah. Okay, so next it's time for foundation. Actually, it's time to dampen my beauty blender. So let me re-wet this. Okay, so as you can see, it is blended quite nice. Can do a little bit better on my eyebrow. Hold on. Okay, so yeah, the blend on the eyebrow is just real natural, real cascading, and that's what I love. Super natural brow, a super natural beat. I'm never gonna do too much. Like, I like it like this. It's my safe zone. I got this in the bag. Right. I am ruining the lashes. They're either hit or miss for me. We're gonna do that last because I don't want to do that right now. So now I highlight. I use the same concealer brand for my highlight that I use for my eyebrows, but this one is actually a shade lighter than my skin tone. Time for the setting powder. Now again, I'm dark skinned, chocolate, and I don't do a super high glam look, so I feel like I just don't need too much of this for my complexion and for the natural look. So like, as soon as I put this on, I take it off, and I'm sparing. As you see, I barely put any. As soon as it goes on, it does the job. You see that? I leave the part on my nose on, and it'll come off in a bit. Let me see what I do here. That was the highlight. Now I contour. So I'm using like a smaller brush, and I apply my contour on my nose. I like the little button nose look, so down here. And this will give me a little button nose look that I like. So now I'm just using the other side of my beauty blender just to smooth everything in, go over my face one good little time. Face looking good. It's giving what it needs to give. Okay, so now the hard part is coming, these lashes, but let's see. What can I do before that? Anything to avoid lashes. My natural palette, to keep it simple, okay? Do I apply eyeliner today? Yeah, just a little. Hoping I didn't mess this one up. This eyebrow is a little, or eyelid is a little bit thicker than the other, but I don't think it's too bad. And I'm scared to try to fix it because it may make matters worse. So I think it's good to just stick where it's at. And I'm just gonna leave it where it's at. I think we're good here. Like this, it looks fine. So done. This is my favorite part, the glow. Like, look at that. So the time has come. Can't run from this anymore. Oh, yes I can. Need to set my face. Very last thing I do, unless I add lashes. And I am actually running out of this. Okay, so I'm just gonna. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I've really been here before, but I'm just gonna hope that it sets. Let me just dab it a little. I don't want it to be spotty. Alright, ladies and gents. This time, I can't run from it anymore. I have got to get these lashes on, and if all else fails after my first attempt, I do not wear lashes. I'll be all right. So this eyelash starts a little bit more inside than this one, but I am not taking them off. I'm not doing it. I'm gonna let this one dry. My nose is running, sorry. Oh, no. Does that happen to anybody else when you do? I guess it's when your eyes water. When your eyes water, your nose runs. Any doctors on the YouTube, please let me know when that happens, because that crap is annoying. Okay. Girl code, I'm taking the glue with me, so I need to leave in 2 minutes. It's just not happening. Alright, so face is beat, and that is my bootleg makeup routine. Before you go, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe and make sure you hit that notification bell and send it to your girlfriend. Send it to somebody who has block eyebrows. I don't know, but spread the news however you feel necessary. Love you all. Thank you. Bye, guys.